Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you what I got from Sephora. So we're starting off with the Makeup by Mario matte palette. So nice, all these neutral colors. Then we're going with the Ole Henriksen Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub. I was watching Halle Berry's skincare routine and she has that. This is one of the products that she used and I was just like, I have to get it. Like, Halle Berry is gorgeous. No brainer. And then we're going to go in with the Christoph Robin Luscious Cleansing Balm. I had this in a sample and I was just like, whoa, my hair is so soft, I need to get it. Then after that, we're going to go in with the Gua Sha Facial Roller by Sephora, and then the Sephora Facial Cleansing Pad. Finally, I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel Pad. I heard really good stuff about this treatment pad and I was just like, I need to try it, especially with my hyperpigmentation, acne prone skin. I'm excited. And with my purchase came the Tatcha Dewy Skin Care Cream and Cleanser and Silk Canvas Primer. And that's all I got.